Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off double tap on iPhone and stop accidental taps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch, and then scroll all the way down until you find Back Tap. Tap on it, and you'll see two options: double tap and triple tap. These options let you assign different actions when you tap the back of your iPhone. Now, tap on double tap. If you have an action selected, simply scroll to the top and choose None. Then, go back and tap on triple tap. If you have an action assigned here as well, select None to turn it off. Once both options are set to None, back tap is completely disabled. And that's it. Now, you won't accidentally trigger things like the flashlight, screenshot, or other actions when you tap the back of your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.